How to create and set up your Blinkit account. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open the application. So this interface will pop up. Now here on the bottom, you can easily add the region that you're in. So simply select the country that you're logging in with. So here I'm selecting one. Now simply enter your mobile number. Here enter a valid mobile number. So after you do that, simply tap on send OTP. So a verification code will be sent to your mobile that you can directly copy and directly paste it. So here I have pasted the code here. Now it will take some time, so it will automatically verify the code and later create a new account with your mobile number. After some time, the account is automatically set up. Now you can start shopping. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.